Screen sharing mirroring. Connecting smartphone to a TV. Using screen sharing or mirroring, you can connect your smartphone to a TV using Wi-Fi to enjoy pictures and videos on a bigger screen. Screen sharing from Android phone. Swipe down the smartphone screen from the top to open notifications and click on Screen Sharing. Select LG TV from the device list. You can decline, block, accept the request for screen sharing. Click Accept to cast your phone screen to the TV. If the request message pops up randomly while watching TV, click either Decline or Block to close the message box. Screen sharing from iPhone. You can mirror your phone to TV using AirPlay from iPhones with iOS 12.4 and above. Make sure the TV and your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Swipe down the smartphone screen from the top to open Control Center. Select Screen Mirroring and choose a TV from the list. If an AirPlay passcode appears on your TV screen, enter the passcode to your smartphone. Once you enter the passcode, you will be able to see your phone screen from the TV.